Hey everyone, so this is just a quick video that's going to explain the creative assignment. So you guys can always go back to this and rewatch it if you're confused about what we're doing. So you're going to be making a flipbook using the 6 levels of the ecological hierarchy to create a foldable or flipbook with pictures and symbols on the outside and sentences that convey an understanding of each of the levels, and that's going to be on the inside, so like a definition and just a sentence that maybe uses the word in it or something. We're going to go over an example in a minute. But here's your instructions. So you're going to fold that paper lengthwise to create 6 equal sections on the top flap of the paper. And then each flap is going to be labeled the following: biosphere, biome, ecosystem, community, population, and species. You're going to draw a picture or a symbol for each of the labeled flap on the outside, and then write a title with each picture symbol. And then you're on the inside of it, on the underside of the flap, you're going to write a definition and a sentence to kind of explain that level, on the inside. I'm going to pause now and switch to so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, hey guys, so I'm just going to show you how you're going to go about folding this paper. It's really weird because it's opposite, but you need to have a blank piece of white paper to start with. If you don't have any white paper, you can use binder paper, but it's just going to look much better if you just have a blank white piece of paper. So to start, what you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half, hot dog style. So you're going to fold it in half lengthwise, and then go ahead and make a hard crease all the way across. This is how you're going to fold for your flipbook. You're going to make it like that. The next thing that you're going to do after you have it in half like this, is you're going to fold it in half again. Okay, so that time it's technically hamburger, but now it's folded in half again, because we need to get 6 different squares. After you have it folded, you're actually going to separate it into 3s. This part's going to be a little bit challenging, so I'm actually going to put it on my desk and do that. So you're going to make sure it is folded into thirds. So this is just going to give you kind of even 6 different little segments. So I folded it into thirds. Okay. So then you should have 6 different segments, and I'm actually going to show you a completed one really quick to show you exactly what it's going to look like after this. Okay, so you folded your paper all the way, and now what you have is you're going to actually be creating your flipbook. So on the cover, you're going to have all of these pictures, kind of like we have here. Please don't do the exact same ones. And then you're actually going to be cutting slits. Not through the whole thing. So if I hold it like this, you'll see this part of it is still all the way together. But this part allows you to literally flip up. So if we want to look at Earth, you have your biosphere on the top, an example picture, and then, Earth is your example of the biosphere. And then when you flip it up, you have the definition. Biosphere consists of all life on Earth and all plants of which it exists, and then you can hold it down. This will be a really helpful tool for studying, and just kind of gives you a visual to go along with what we're going over. And then you have species starting over here, all the way up to biosphere on this side. So we went from this blank piece, so you draw all your images on the top, and then you cut just the top slits there, and then you're actually going to color it and draw on it. So I do expect color. So if you have that ability, please do that. And that's all. I hope you guys have some fun with this. I don't know.